Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna start, hopefully Matt will be back here in a second, because I want to start kind of explaining this to you so you have enough time to do this last bit and then get it to me. Here's the deal. So I showed you how you use the calculator if you want to get random digits, but remember the issue with that is that we have to reseed the calculator. I'll talk you through that process. I never remember how to do it. I have to go back and review that. I'm going to, just for my purposes to show you how to do this, I'm going to use this line 4. I'm about to assign you different lines here in just a minute, okay? So we have to find 10 three-digit numbers that are between 001. Whoops. We've got to find numbers that are between 001 up to that 268, because that's how many different words there were in this list. We have to think of these as three-digit numbers. So it would mess things up or bias things if we only looked at single-digit numbers or two-digit numbers, because we have to think about the fact that we have to consider this as a three-digit number. So we have to look at, to get the first word, we would have to find a 001 in our table. And it happens, okay? We have to go up to, we can only go up to 268 though, because that's all the numbers there are there. So if I start with this line right here to find 10 random numbers between 001 and 268. So my first three-digit number is this 128. Do you see that I highlighted? It's not very dark. I should darken this or something. Let me use this so I can underline. So 128, that would be the first one. So you write that number down, and then you're going to go back and look at what that word is. The next one here is this 079. So notice, just because there are spaces there doesn't mean, you don't have to consider the spaces. The spaces are there only to help our eyes, because if we crammed all of these numbers all together, it would be too hard to even read. So they put spaces in there. So the next three-digit number is 079. So that would be the next word I would look for. The next three-digit number is 997. That is way too big, because we're looking for numbers up to 268. So we don't use that one. So I'm just going to kind of cross that out so we don't even look at that anymore. The next three-digit number is 080. So that's the next one that I would write down. And then 157, it got written over, but you can kind of see it. And then 361 is too big. 476 is too big. 403 is too big. 236 would be the next one, and so on. So I need you to notice something. I might have to continue on to that next line to get all 10 of the three-digit numbers that I need. You have to realize that, okay? But you're always, in this case, because we have the largest number that we have is that 268, we've got to go three-digit numbers, okay? So questions on how you're going to do that process? We're going to have to practice this a little bit more, but